In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate overtime hours in Google Sheets using an overtime calculation formula. This is a simple yet powerful tool to ensure you're accurately tracking and managing overtime hours in your workplace. Whether you're an employer managing payroll for many employees or just tracking your own work hours, this method will save you time and effort. Let's get started by opening a new Google Sheet. If you haven't already worked with Google Sheets, this is a free, cloud-based application that's accessible from anywhere you have internet access. It's perfect for work like this because it allows you to easily share and collaborate with others if needed. And best of all, you can save your work automatically in the cloud without fear of losing it. With your Google Sheet open, let's dive into entering our data. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll be using cells B2 to H2 to input the necessary values. Typically, you would enter the number of regular hours worked, the overtime hours, and any other relevant figures required for your payroll calculations. Make sure to enter these values accurately as they form the basis of your calculations. Now comes the real magic. Once you've entered your data, the total gross wage will be computed automatically in cell B13. Google Sheets will do this for you based on the formula we've set up. This formula takes the inputted hours and applies the relevant pay rates to calculate the gross wage, including overtime pay. You don't need to do this manually or rely on someone else. Google Sheets will handle the math for you, providing immediate, reliable results. If calculating overtime sounds complicated, fear not. Google Sheets functions are very straightforward once you become acquainted with them. And since the sheet will automatically calculate the totals for you, you can rest assured that it's error-free and, importantly, consistent. As a tip, it's always good practice to double-check your formulas and make sure they're inputted correctly. This way, you can ensure the numbers are dead-on accurate. Another great feature of Google Sheets is its ability to show formulas directly, so you can easily identify and correct any errors that might pop up. With this setup, you now have a dynamic, real-time system for calculating overtime pay, which you can customize as needed to include additional conditions or rules specific to your workplace. Experiment with more features in Google Sheets as you get comfortable, and consider learning more about its powerful functions to streamline your payroll processes further. That's it for today's video. Remember, understanding your tools and maximizing their potential can significantly optimize your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this lesson on calculating overtime hours useful and empowering.